Art of Finesse, Volume 2. We're back at it. In this episode, we're going to talk about this blazer, how I took $15 and made it look like 1500. Okay? So, since I already recorded that footage of the first episode, I decided to bring that other outfit out here too and just left it in my car so that I could just kill two birds with one stone. To give you a little backdrop, my friend Brandon, who works with Meals on Wheels Atlanta, which is a great organization, they feed the underserved here in Atlanta. Every year, he throws an event called Taste, which is a fundraiser for the company, and he brings out the flyest, most fashionable people in Atlanta, along with the best food as well. So it's beautiful people, beautiful clothes, great food, all in one building, and it's for a good cause. Of course, I'm a fashion designer. I can make anything on the planet, but sometimes I really just don't feel like it. And really, fashion is really my gift to the world. I don't really do it for me. Yes, I want to look good if I go on a date or once, I do get in a relationship again. I look good for my lady, for my woman, but usually I can wear the same thing every single day, This is just for me to give to other people so they can express themselves. So I really wasn't feeling making my own outfit, so I decided to go to Goodwill and see if I can get lucky. I was fortunate to find this number. It really had a good fit all around. This is what you would consider a continental fit, I think. It has no vents on it. Usually with men's blazers, there'll be a vent either in the middle or one on each side, but no vent on this, and I really didn't have to do any tweaks to the body. I originally was going to crop it to give it more of a modern look, but I decided just to leave it as is. And the only thing I really wanted to do was to spice it up, was to add these buttons on it. So I copped the blazer, took it to the dry cleaner, and got it washed because we don't know where this thing was. Once I got home, I had these metallic buttons that I had been sitting on for some years. I actually made this blazer with like no lapel. It was giving like an 80s vibe, and I just took the buttons from that and put them on here. So as you can see, it's still the double-breasted look. I got the metallic buttons on the sleeves, and the last touch I wanted to make was creating my own brooch. So I took this rhinestone trim that I had at home, cut it up, hand sewed it to the lapel just to give it a little action and a little sparkle as I walk into the building. And it also moves a little bit, if I gotta cross somebody over. But yeah, I like the way it came out, and I think the outfit was cool. I got a lot of looks, and I think a lot of people appreciate it, what I tried to do. So I'm sure nobody could tell like I got this thing from Goodwill, but the outfit came together. And yes, right now I'm wearing my same blue jeans. Mind your business, okay? This is the Art of Finesse. This is about the blazer, so focus on the waist up, please. This isn't the art of 10 ways to style a blazer for fall. No, don't worry about that, okay? Like I said, I can wear the same outfit every day, and this is just me showing my gifts to the world, and maybe y'all can take what I know and just do your thing and go crazier than I do. But let me know what you think. We're going to keep this thing going. The Art of Finesse, episode 2. I'm gone. I really feel like I'm getting in my bag with this content creating thing. I'm showing I'm showing y'all a little more of my personality. I have a feeling that I probably come across. I try to act like super cool on social media, real quiet and mysterious, but the people who know me for real, they know I talk way too much. I don't shut up, and I'm really silly. All I do is play like all day. I really don't take anything seriously most of the time. But yeah, I feel like I'm getting in my groove. I appreciate all of y'all, engaging with me and just giving me any of your attention at all, because there's a million other things you could be doing, a million other things you could be looking at, a million other people you could be interested in, and I just appreciate you just tuning into what I do and caring the slightest about, my creativity and my ideas. So with that said, episode 2, Art of Finesse, and we're out.